carnivores have very different milks from the herbivores. The carnivores typically have a lot more fat and a lot more protein in their milk than the two herbivorous species at the bottom. And that's because, again, their babies have to finish developing outside the womb. They're growing much faster, so they need a lot more energy in the form of fat, and they need a lot more protein. But let's just look at the two herbivores, if you will. You see that in the first column, the total solids are pretty much the same. Cows, 12.3, humans, 12.0. Look at the percentage of fat. Is it the same or different? And remember, I'm going to start pointing. It's the same. Does anybody disagree with that? All right. I'm going to come back to that in a minute. What about the amount of protein? Big difference. And if you can read, I've already given you the answers. There's a lot more protein in the cow's milk. So let me ask you, why is that? Again, I hear mumbling, but I want some answers. Because, okay, the calf is bigger, but it has to grow faster. Exactly. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, proteins are building blocks. And you only need a lot of protein if you're growing very fast. What is the slowest growing species on the planet? Huh? Well, earthworm. No, that ain't it. What is the slowest growing species on the planet? Huh? Someone says a sloth. No, sloths only take about 1.5 years, 2 years to reach maturity. Humans! Humans take 20 years to reach maturity, 18 to 20 years. And that's why we have the lowest protein content of any mammal on the planet in our milk. But what's important for you guys to know is that the type of protein in cow's milk and human milk is very different. The protein in cow's milk is much more growth stimulatory, and that's not a good thing because it means that kids raised on cow's milk are much more prone to develop cancer and heart disease and other metabolic problems as they age. Now, let me come back to that fat content. We said it's the same, but is it the same kind of fat? Can you churn butter from human milk? No, you can't. Can you make ice cream from human milk? No, you can't. If you have seen human breast milk, it is thin and translucent, whereas cow's milk is white and opaque. That's because the fat in cow's milk is highly saturated. That's why you can churn butter out of it and make ice cream. So again, even though they may superficially look similar, they're very different. Now, let's look at that last column, lactose. Lactose is the sugar that's in milk. Who has more lactose? Humans. Well, if the baby cow is growing faster and if the baby cow is bigger, why does the human have more lactose? To feed the brain, exactly. Because proportionately, the human baby's brain is much bigger than a baby cow's brain. And that means if you raise your baby or your grandchildren on cow's milk, you are starving their brains. There's not enough sugar in it because the brain only uses sugar for its metabolism. You see, God, nature, whoever you want to attribute this to, knew what they were doing when they designed these milks. They designed them for the species.